Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Auth0 applications with MFA policies, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section on the left sidebar. Select the application you wish to configure for multi-factor authentication. In the Applications settings, scroll down to the Security section. Locate the Multi-Factor Authentication toggle. Switch the toggle to enable multi-factor authentication for your application. Next, select your preferred MFA provider from the available options. If you're using time-based one-time passwords, ensure you have the Auth0 Guardian set up. For SMS or email verification, ensure you have configured your messaging settings appropriately. Once you've selected your MFA type, save your changes at the bottom of the page. Next, navigate to the Security tab in the left sidebar. Click on Multi-Factor Authentication under the Security section. Here, you can define your MFA policies. Choose between requiring MFA for all users or specific user groups. If you select specific user groups, make sure to define those groups clearly. You can also set up different conditions, such as requiring MFA for risky logins. After configuring your policies, save your settings. Next, test the implementation by attempting to log in to your application. You should receive a prompt for your second factor of authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the MFA process. If you encounter any issues, check the logs in the Auth0 dashboard for troubleshooting. Review the documentation provided by Auth0 for any advanced configurations. Finally, communicate these changes to your users to ensure a smooth transition to MFA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.